Hi everyone, my name's Alessandra Ciuffo and I'm currently a sophomore business student at the Rose Hill campus. One of the ways that I've been coping with being home has been cooking a lot, so I'm going to share some recipes with you guys. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite breakfast dishes. It is a sunny side up egg in a fresh cherry tomato sauce. Also, if you guys are interested in more content like this, check out my YouTube channel, Alessandra Ciuffo. Let's get cooking. I'm putting my pan on medium heat with a little bit of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, we're also going to chop up a little bit of a yellow onion. Now we're going to add all of this into our pan. And we're gonna let that brown for about 1 to 2 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna start cutting some cherry tomatoes. We're just gonna cut them lengthwise. Once the onion and garlic have become very fragrant and they're starting to soften up a bit, that's when you're ready to add your cherry tomatoes into the pan. So the next thing I'm gonna do is grab a cover for the pan and cover them for a minute or so, just to let all of the juices flow out of the tomatoes. So I added a little bit more olive oil, and now that you can see that they're starting to break up a little bit, I'm going to add a little bit of water in there, and that's just to make it a little bit thicker of a sauce. And so in goes the water, and again, I'm gonna cover it. Once you have this consistency, you're almost ready to go. I'm gonna be adding in just a little pinch of sugar. I think that this brings out the nice sweetness in the cherry tomatoes. I'm also going to add in 2 leaves of fresh basil. This is looking just perfect. So now I'm gonna form a little well in the center of my cherry tomatoes so that I can crack the egg right there. Now I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt and black pepper over the whole thing. Once the egg is firm and all solid colored on the top, you know that it's just done. And just like that, it's all done. Super delicious and yummy. I recommend having it with a nice piece of toasted bread to catch up all of the yolk and the cherry tomatoes. Enjoy!